Hey everyone, I've got another video for you for main idea. This is our first ELA video. So our objective is I can identify the main idea of a story. So we're going to read a story about a storm. And then if you want to, totally optional, but something for you to pass the time a little bit is I've got a little craftivity, yay, that we can work on. All right, let's go ahead and read the story. So main idea is just going to be, what is the story about? Okay, what is it mostly about? And then we're going to try to identify 3 details from the story that supports your main idea. Okay, kind of like evidence supporting what your story is about. All right, so we're going to read The Storm. Pull it up here. All right, here we go. Nice. All right, so go ahead and read with me if you can. Here we go. The Storm. The rain began early in the morning. It fell as hard drops, one after another. The sky was full of dark purple clouds. Thunder began as a soft rumble and became louder and louder and louder. Lightning crashed every few minutes, making the sky a brilliant white. All right, so looking at this question, let's talk about this a little bit. What is the main idea? So, is it A, the farms needed rain? B, the thunder hurt the people's ears? C, lightning made the sky bright? Or D, the storm is very strong? All right, I'm going to give you a second to think about that. All right, if you answered D, the storm is very strong, give yourselves a raise the roof on 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo. All right. The next thing it says, write 3 details from the story in the boxes. And we're going to save that for our craft. If you want to think about those 3 details right now, let's go. Well, actually, you know what? Let's talk about those. So we have a first detail. I want you to think about what is a detail that supports the main idea. And we're going to try to keep it in order if we can. All right. And the first detail I can think of is the rain began early in the morning. Okay. All right, let's think about another detail that supports the main idea of the storm being really, really strong. The sky was full of dark purple clouds. If the sky is full of dark purple clouds, that's going to be a strong, strong storm, right? All right, let's think. One more detail. There's a few other details that you can think of, but try to think of one more detail. All right, the last detail I can think of is the lightning crashed every few minutes, making the sky brilliant white. So lightning crashing. Okay, thinking of lightning crashing, you think of a strong storm, right? All right, so if you have time, I've got a craft here for us to work on. These are the materials that you're going to need. So if you want to see if you can find a parent to help you find these materials around your house. Don't go out and buy these things. These should be things that you might have already around your house. You can even use scratch paper, recycled paper. Okay, so white, you need white and a yellow paper. You don't have to use yellow. You can use white and just color it yellow later. Okay, that's not super important, but you need 2 pieces of paper. You need a pen, scissors, and glue. All right, so the first step, let me show you the finished product. So it's going to look like this. Let me show it in the camera here. It's going to have a cloud, and you're going to have 3 details like this. Okay, so it's going to be a storm cloud with main idea, and 3 details are going to be on your lightning bolt. Okay, so the first step, you want to draw your cloud on white paper and then cut it out. So let me draw it and I'll hold it up for you. Just a big cloud, okay? Like this. Then it doesn't have to be perfect. Then just cut that out. And if you need to, again, pause the video. That's the beauty of videos, is you can pause it if you need extra time. We're not all about perfection, just to have fun, right? Okay, so here's my cloud. Then on my cloud, I'm going to write main idea. Just write it in the middle. MAIN idea, IDEA. Just like this. Okay, then set it on the side, and let's work on the next step. Draw a lightning bolt on yellow paper. You can draw it on white paper and just color it yellow later if you don't have yellow paper. And we want to have kind of 3 slashes on that lightning bolt. 1, 2, 3. Again, does this need to be perfect? No. I think my original one turned out way better than this, but lightning bolt, okay, and then cut it out. I'm going to kind of switch my stuff up here a little bit. Didn't like how that turned out, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun. Okay, something to do. All right. So as I turn it the opposite side, it looks way better. Okay, so that's, you can improvise if it doesn't turn out the way you want it to. So then on those, you're going to write a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to glue it onto your cloud. Just put a little tiny dot of glue right in the corner so it looks like that. Okay, and then I just attached it at the bottom corner of my cloud. Falling apart here. You might need to hold it for a couple of seconds. All right, and then step 4 is write the main idea. I forgot to tell you to clean up. So clean up your trash. If you have any trash out, scissors out, material out, you're gonna just need, that's all of the gluing and cutting parts, the ones you clean up. Make sure you keep a clean house for your mom and dad. So go ahead and clean that up and then have your cloud ready, because what you're gonna do now is, based on that story, The Storm, you're going to write the main idea and write 3 details about it, okay? Don't forget to use complete sentences. We're in 2nd grade. Let's not forget that. And then if you need extra room, you can always write on the back of the lightning bolt right here, okay? And then I'm going to pull up the story for you one more time so that you have it as you're working on that. Or you can go back in the video to find it too and have it up. But one other thing is another option that you have. Step 5, I'd love to see it if you ended up doing it. And you want an extra challenge, you can post it on your digital portfolio on Class Dojo, and I'd love to see all your hard work. So if you have a chance to, you can go to Class Dojo with your parents' help, and you can post your picture of your final lightning bolt cloud, main idea cloud on there, and I can check it out, and I'll leave you a little comment on your portfolio. So let me pull up that story one more time so you have it, and then I can't wait to see all your clouds. So I'm going to leave it right here. I hope everyone is still well, and I miss you guys and hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.